Hello Kizombelas, today we are jumping straight into it. So if you want to know how to nail your body movement in those Kizomba fundamental moves, this is the video for you. Make sure you're watching to the end so you get all the tips and all the knowledge how to improve and nail your Kizomba body movement on the fundamental move, which we're going to be doing is our rules of three. So you might already come across, there is not just movements on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in Kizomba. There is a quite distinctive counting that can happen in Kizomba that's special to Kizomba, and that is the 3 count. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to be nailing that if you don't know what that is already, and we're going to be doing the body movement for that 3-step basic. Yeah? So let's get straight into it. The first move is the travel step. A basic 3 when we're walking in a line. Yeah? As a follower, we're normally going back on the right first. We're going 1, 2, 3, and we start again with the right foot. It's really important to start again with the right foot on this one. We're going forward, 1, 2, 3. So we go back, 1, 2, 3, and forward, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Once you've got the steps, you want to make sure you're not pausing. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically in a 6 count. So there should be no pause. It should be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you want to count up to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The important part, the body movement, yes? When we're stepping, we want to be stepping, changing our weight, and when we close, we're pushing into the ground. Our hips are going back and around to neutral position. Yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3. Yes? So you're pushing into the ground, the movement is down and then back to neutral. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes? I'll do it slowly one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you really want to be getting your energy from the ground here. To get the body movement, I push with the ball of my foot, the hips are going back and around to neutral position. There. Boom. It's like a vroom. Like as if you're going to press the pedal on the car, the gas pedal. Vroom. Pushing into the ground and then letting your body relax back to neutral position. So that's our basic 3 move in a line, or called travel step. We have our 3-step basic turning, so turning basic 3, also known as Bigla. We're going back with the right as a follower, and we're turning, we're angling our feet. I'm going towards my left shoulder, then I take the left foot and I step towards the back, which is now the front that you can see me, and I close with the right foot. 3 steps. We go back. 1, 2, 3. Yes, then we do the same thing again to get back to the front. Starting with the right foot. Important to start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3. So after 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, the important part, the body movement. That's why we're here, yes? You want to have your energy as if you're going to do a complete circle. So it's the momentum. You don't want your body to just stop. Yeah, you want that circle to continue. So the hips going back, step to the back, circle, that vroom we were talking about, so push into the ground, hips going back, and continue, step back, there, here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. My body is in continuous movement. Bum, bum. Yes? Once you've got the 3 steps in Bigla, in the turning basic, you can add your cha-cha-cha or shuffle. I've got a video that I've made on Bigla with shuffle that you can check out. I'll put the link up above. But then we're stepping, you take the 3-step basic and then you go quick, quick. So it'll be right, left, quick, quick, right, left, quick, quick. So 2 steps, normal speed, then quick on the right, quick on the left, step right, left, right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. and that is our bugler. We can do our three-step move in the Kizomba horizontal. So 3-step, basic 3 on the horizontal. Yes, we start with our right and we go towards our right. 1, 2, 3. The third step is a step and a pivot. Then you step left. 1, 2, 3. And again, we go with the right 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Turn and 1, 2, 3. There's lots of footwork variations that you can do with this horizontal basic 3 that can it's really fun in December in December, the dance of December. You can really play with your footwork here. So instead of just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you can do a leg slide circle, and you do that on the and count, so before the 1. So it'll be and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So you circle on the and, you put your weight on your right on the 1, you step as normal 2, 3, and we do it on the other side. We slide on the and 1, you put the weight down, 2, 3. So doing that variation, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yes? So those are some key 3-step basic in Kizomba that you can do. So we have our travel step, we have our turning basic, you can advance that into Vigla, and then we've got our horizontal one. I'm going to go through those all again really quickly so you can see with the counts. We go with the travel first. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turning basic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and to the side, horizontal. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with extra footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We're going to practice those steps now to music. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit notification bell if you haven't already, because I've got some great videos, tips, tutorials for you in Kizomba and Urban Kids, as well as demos in Kizomba and Urban Kids, and you don't want to miss out on those. If you want to get in contact with me to find out about my private lessons that I do online, all the details are in the description box below, and you can also follow me on Facebook as McKiztosh Dance and on Instagram as McKiztosh.dance. We're going to practice those moves now with some music.
Modernizada pra poder ter o sucesso das horas.